Artificial intelligence, AI, is a broad field of computer science concerned with creating intelligent computers capable of doing activities that normally require human intelligence. While AI is an interdisciplinary discipline with many techniques, advances in machine learning and deep learning in particular are causing a paradigm change in almost every sector of the IT industry. In this video, we will show you what is beyond ChatGPT and what are the killer apps that an individual should know about. These are the 5 mind-blowing AI tools that you should try right now. First on the list is Dolly 2, an open AI project that, together with ChatGPT, is credited with igniting the current surge of public interest in generative AI. This one converts text questions into computer visuals, such as photographs, photos, sketches, and paintings. OpenAI created Dolly 2 deep learning models to produce digital pictures from natural language descriptions known as prompts. Dolly was revealed by OpenAI in a blog post in January 2021, and it generates graphics using a modified version of GPT-3. OpenAI launched Dolly 2, a sequel aimed to produce more realistic pictures at greater resolutions that can combine concepts, attributes, and styles, in April 2022. Dolly can create artwork in a variety of forms, such as photorealistic pictures, paintings, and emoji. It can manipulate and rearrange items in its pictures and place design components accurately in innovative compositions without explicit instructions. You may also have heard about Lumen 5, a video production tool driven by AI that allows anybody to effortlessly produce educational, marketing, or business video material using a simple drag-and-drop interface. The platform gives hundreds of customizable themes to guarantee that your video material is consistent and on-brand, as well as a bank of photos, video footage, and music to give it the vitality and momentum it needs for social shares. Other than images and videos, we also have a tool that creates unique logos. Looka is a program that uses artificial intelligence to provide unique and distinctive logos that reflect your company's style and messaging. Even if you lack creative expertise, this application makes it simple to begin developing bespoke marketing materials. Users may also edit their profile and cover photographs for YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, and other social networking sites using Looka's AI-powered platform. Looka also offers more than 15 logo files that may be utilized across various mediums, including high-resolution file formats such as SVG, PNG, EPS, and PDF. Looka also includes useful materials, such as the Getting Started Guide, which demonstrates the fonts and colors of the logo, and the Brand Identity 101 Guide, which gives advice on how to develop a brand. The fourth AI tool that we can use is the Murph. You may have come across text-to-speech videos on social media. These are distinguished by the monotone and robotic man or female voice. Murph is a text-to-speech engine that allows you to easily generate natural-sounding synthetic vocal recordings in 15 languages, using a library of over 100 voices and accents. This output may be readily integrated into automated marketing or video material, automating the narration and voiceover creation process. Murph AI draws on a large collection of over 120 professional voices to assist you in generating great voiceover work. These artificial intelligence voices are available in 20 different languages. Murph provides high-quality voiceover narrations that do not sound like the synthetic AI voices that are commonly heard in YouTube videos. It creates realistic audio files by generating natural-sounding voices that you can adjust and control. The last tool on the list that we can use is the Crisp, a conference calling program that utilizes real-time algorithms to eliminate background sounds, echo, and other distracting aspects, ensuring that you always come across as clear and professional. There are no buttons to click or expensive software to manage. Simply add the technology to your collaborative app, and it will sync with your default devices. Any annoying background noise, whether it's just your heavy breathing or the sound of your neighbors doing DIY, will be eliminated from the conversation immediately. The Crisp AI tool is compatible with any device, including headsets and microphones, as well as smartphones. Furthermore, it is compatible with over 800 distinct apps. These are the most recent AI applications that allow us to use them for almost any task we can think of. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Stay tuned because we'll see you on the next video.